Do you live with a disability? Do you need financial support? This video will show you how to find grants for anyone in the U.S. with special information for disabled business owners, disabled females, and disabled veterans. Be sure to watch for my top 3 pro tips to help you get the most financial support available. All the websites I mention here are linked in the description below. Let's start with grants for disabled business owners. The most common U.S. resource for small business grants, including disabled business owners, is the Small Business Administration, or SBA, to receive free guidance and multiple forms of support for your business, including grants. Start the conversation at your nearest SBA office and find a free mentor at the Service Corps of Retired Executives, known as SCORE, for all entrepreneurs of all abilities. Next up, grants for disabled females. The majority of grants for disabled females are actually benefit programs, which are different from grants. More about this in my pro tips coming up in just a minute. Unless you're a disabled female business owner, then I would refer you to the SBA and SCORE. Now, let's look at grants for disabled veterans, including disabled female veterans. The Challenged Athletes Foundation offers grants to veterans who have permanent physical disabilities to purchase sports equipment or pay for sports programs. Entrepreneurship Bootcamp provides mentors and business training at no cost to post 9/11 veterans with a service-connected disability. The VA offers adaptive housing grants. Read the qualifications carefully. If your needs are different than what I've just discussed, there are websites that list grant opportunities for you, such as this list from the Christopher Reeve Foundation, linked below. And here are my promised 3 pro tips that will maximize your support options. 1. Government grants can take months to prepare and expire over time. Instead, consider applying for government benefits, which are intended for individuals and usually last much longer than grant dollars. 2. Consider the low-cost or free services provided by nonprofits in your area. You can find them on greatnonprofits.org, linked below, or you can dial 3 numbers, 211, and get connected to needed services. And 3, if you are going to write the grant, then check out my playlist simply called How to Write a Grant. If you like this content, please consider subscribing to Grant Chatter, your free grant writing class. I'm Tiffany, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.